Simple resistance scaling D to A converter. In this, we make use of simple potential divider circuit. Here we are showing logic of 3-bit D to A converter with a reference voltage of 5 volt. We have to connect the circuit as per the circuit diagram. As shown in the next steps. For simplicity, we have used mechanical switches for connections, which can be easily replaced by BJT or MOSFETs. This is D0 bar, my LSB. The switches that you see here is my D0 bar line, D0 bar column, which is the LSB of the circuit. These are D0 bits. Next we come for D1 bar and D1, D1 bar and D1, D2 bar and D2, my MSB. Working of the circuit will be as follows. When D0 equal to 0, D1 equal to 0 and D2 equal to 0, at that time switches in the column of D0 bar will be on, switches of the column of D1 bar, D0 will be and the switches of D0 column are off. Similarly, the switches of D1 bar column and D2 bar column are shorted. Because of that, an equivalent potential divider circuit has been formed with R2 equal to 0 ohm and R1 equal to 8 into R ohm. That is, you have to select value of resistance R as per requirement. Now we look for the combination 1 0 0, that is D2 equals to 0, D1 for the combination 1 0 0, that is D0 equals to 0, D1 equals to 0 and D2 equals to 1. For the combination 1 0 0, that is D0 equals to 0, D1 equals to 0 and D2 equals to 1. For the given input, we get a voltage of 2.47 volts at the output. For this case, that is D0 equals to 0, D1 equals to 0 and D2 equals to 1, we get V out equals to 4 by 8 times of the reference voltage, that is 5 volts. By continuously changing the input signal sequence, we can get a continuous signal. The figure indicates the values of the output by changing the input bits. Thus, it satisfies the problem statement. That is, 3-bit digital input is converted into analog output.